Hey folks, what you're about to watch is the public defender that you seen a year ago by the name of David Dunn. I repeat, do not call 847-470-7400 and voice your concern along with reviews. It looks like there's only three reviews and two of them are 0 stars. And I'm talking these reviews are from 3 years ago, not from the visit. So we're about to get into this video, man. It gets crazy. Okay, I'm gonna watch how I walk into the sheriff's office before I walk into the public defender's office, and watch how one of the sheriffs at the front counter starts a disturbance and then starts laughing behind the computer, knowing that they abuse authority. But stay tuned, we're about to get into it now. Guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share. You know, we need to get the word out. It's something intelligent that's been going on, as in filing complaints using the FOIA system. Okay, not only is it a complaint, it's a request of records and a reason. We don't have to give no reason why we're requesting the records, but we have in the complaint, we're putting a reason why we're requesting these specific requests along with that complaint. So it's an intelligent way of filing complaints through FOIA because it stays tracked and logged for the rest of history. All right. Anyhow, folks, stay tuned. We're about to get into the video now. Love. Hey, folks, I'm over here at a revisit. I'm at Skokie, Cook County building here, where the public defender David Dunn exposed himself as a disrespectful employee. But anyhow, I'm here to go to the library to read the lawful books. So we'll see how this goes, folks. Alright.
Low temperature detected. Please retest.
Keep your phone in there.
Yep.
Put your phone in the basket.
Oh, sure. Pause. Got through the metal detector. Let me go to the sheriff's office first. I gotta go up to the library too. Grab some of these forms.
Can I help you?
Hi, ma'am. Do you?
Turn your camera off. You don't need to record me. I'm not law enforcement. I'm sitting here without a uniform on.
Could you call a superior?
If you can shut your camera off, I do not want to be filmed.
Do not cause a disturbance.
Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Hey, long time.
Yeah.
Yep. Do you
How
have
can I help you today?
do you have FOIA forms in this office?
No, we don't.
No? All right.
Would you like your phone number to legal?
Sure.
I'll go grab it for you.
All right. See, guys, how the officials always cause a disturbance. She's laughing. Like they try to violate everybody's right. Anytime somebody speaks loud, speak lower. Because when the interaction does go to court, the audio transcription will show who's right, who's wrong. I may be putting you a 5-star review on Yelp.
There you go.
That's legal. Okay.
Legal.
Ma'am, Legal, where's the address for their office?
It's downtown 50 West Washington.
Oh, okay. Anyhow, it does not require, I have the FOIA Act here. It does not require a specific public body in order to file a FOIA. However, what was your first name again, ma'am?
Kelly,
And you're the sheriff sergeant?
superintendent.
Superintendent, cool. All right. What I'm going to be doing, ma'am, I'm going to be serving some FOIA and complaints on the same FOIA
Okay.
to some members here, and that's about it. That's my visit here. But this here is Cook County Sheriff Office. What is this?
In Spanish.
What's this form here?
These are customer service. This is Spanish
Oh.
and this is English.
Okay.
So you
Yep.
do the English side and
Mhm.
it's the customer service survey. Then that box is locked. If you want to file it in there, they come and empty it out
Sure.
once a month.
And I also need to obtain body worn for a Cook County Sheriff, Sergeant Sheriff, but from Daly Center. It could be forwarded over to the proper channels, right?
They can get it
Okay.
because they have every department,
Okay.
not just here.
You're a superintendent for a reason, because know how to interact with people,
Oh,
and you know the rights. You know.
do. I remember you
Obviously.
too.
Yep.
I like this.
Thanks. There's a flower for you.
That's great.
Okay, ma'am. Anyhow,
sir.
it's good to see you
Good
again,
to
ma'am.
see you. You've been well.
Oh, yep.
Okay.
Filing these FOIAs and obtaining legal information.
It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
It keeps you busy.
Yeah.
Other door, honey.
All right, ma'am.
All right.
Some
Be safe.
some employees may see me not like the camera and cause a scene like that employee there, but I'm not going into any courtrooms.
Okay. Just
So-
stay out in the hall.
Sure, and
All right.
in public lobbies.
Yeah.
All right, ma'am. Thank you. See, the first lady caused the scene until the superintendent walked out on her. She's a very nice lady. She's a very nice lady. Here goes David Dunn's office. Pause. This is the courtroom here. Oh, what the hell? County assessor. Let me see the state's attorney's office. You know what, here. Pause. There's a library here I have to go to. I need to study the law dictionary. Pause. There goes the public defender's office. We're going to be going in there after the library. I just gotta write these forms up so I could serve them. So meet me in the library right here. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, do you have Black's Law Dictionary available?
I do.
What version is it?
Well, I got a couple of different versions. I have the latest one up here.
Okay. I'd like to actually see the earliest copy.
The earliest one I have?
Sure.
All right, let's see what I have. And an even earlier edition is available on Westlaw. Check.
Oh, cool. Fifth?
Yeah,
All right, cool. You know, I don't like really using online. I like looking at the hard copy.
that's fine. If you're
But
happy
yeah,
with that, that's fine with
I'll
me.
take a seat here, ma'am.
Okay.
I thank you. Pause. All right, folks, I just left the library. I read the Black's Law Dictionary. I didn't have no reception in there. I wanted to live stream for definitions. However, we're at the public defender's office, and this is a complaint and a FOIA at the same time. So I'm going to be handing that over so I could get a stamped copy. Hello, hi ma'am, how's it going? I'd like to serve this FOIA request and complaint. It says,
Let me get my sticker back.
all right,
Okay, you can have a seat, sir.
sure. What's your first name, ma'am?
You can have a seat, sir.
This is a record to serve as a complaint and FOIA request and to be tracked and logged into the FOIA track log system. A member of the public walked into a public defender's office on about March 5th, 2020. Inquiring in information when the information, the Cook County employee by the name of David Dunn disrespected the person by telling him he was not welcomed into his lobby and refused to answer any questions. David Dunn, public defender, called the sheriff to remove the person from his lobby for filming, yet was unsuccessful because filming in a public space is a right. Therefore, I am requesting all emails sent and received by David Dunn on the date of March 4th through March 7, 2020, as well as license to practice law.
On the 22nd, 23rd.
There you go, right there.
Oh, look who's back.
He said, "Oh, look who's back."
You're back.
I'm here filing a FOIA request as well as a complaint, sir.
All right, here, why don't you, here, take a picture of this, all right? There you go. Do you have a case? You have a case here? Do you have a case?
Come again?
Do you have a case here?
Could
Do
we
you have a
keep
case
social
in?
distance, sir?
I'm trying to, but I'm trying to get a question. Do you have a case?
I'm filing a FOIA and complaint.
All right, but do you have a case pending?
What I need, sir, is just a copy of this form here so I could be on my way.
What form is it?
Would you like me to read it aloud?
No.
It says this is a complaint and or FOIA to be tracked and logged in the FOIA system. A member of the public walked in here on March 5th, and a man, public defender by the name of
Now,
David
what is your
Dunn.
name? Again, you put me on YouTube last year. What is your name?
Sir, I just need a
Right.
copy of this.
Okay.
Okay? So this is basically
this is not where
a,
you file FOIA requests.
sir, any public body, excuse
Just
me?
make a copy of that?
Ma'am, can I have a timestamp copy, please?
No.
Just the
Let's
date.
get the sheriffs up here. All right, because you have no business here that I can see. This is not where you file FOIA requests.
Sir, according to the Freedom of Information Act of Illinois,
All right, but you
Any
don't file
public-
them here.
any public body can receive any FOIA and hand it over to the proper channel. This is
All right,
I'm
this is-
serving.
That's the clerk's office.
Sir,
We're not the clerk's office.
I'm serving this as a copy to your office. If you'd like to
Right.
forward it over to the clerk's office,
No, we are not.
That's
You can
fine.
Go downstairs to 145 and forward it to the clerk's office.
okay. Could you give me my space, sir?
You don't have a case here, so you're not invited. We went through this last year. If you do not have a case here, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
As soon as I receive the paper, sir, I'll go make a copy with the clerk's office as well.
We were gonna make a copy of this.
That's
Do
fine.
what is your name?
Sir, I'm
What
filing
is your
FOIA.
name?
It is not required to provide a name.
Okay, so we don't know how to route this then.
Is that a copy, ma'am?
No, this is your copy. You can get it back.
Okay. So I'm requesting
Okay.
your license to practice law as a FOIA, as well as your last 20 emails sent on that day that I was here last year. Because I
don't
believe
even know who your
I
name
believe
is.
you conspired
Okay.
against my rights. I provided my
What
email
is
there for a
your
response.
name?
Sir, I'm filing a FOIA. Does not
You wanna
require a
see
name.
about have the sheriffs come up?
Sir, what do you need to call a sheriff for?
Because you're a trespasser. You're not invited here, right? You don't have a case. You refuse to tell me your name.
Sir?
You continue to
Okay,
take
can I have my
emails.
page back?
You've given it to us. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's my copy there.
It's not your copy. It's mine now.
You got a copy there.
I know. Thank you for this. We're not a copying service.
Okay.
We are here to, again, we represent the indigent accused.
Sir, can you give me my
are
paper
not-
back?
this is
That's my
not your
property
paper.
there.
You gave this to me.
Okay, you have a copy there. That's
I know,
my
but
property.
You gave this to me.
Sir, that is my property. Can you please give me my copy back?
No, you gave this to me.
Sir, that's my property there.
It's not your property. I don't even know who you are.
Okay.
What are you reading off? You did a Google search?
You're in violation of 2635-101, basic obligation of public service.
And what is that?
Public service is a public trust. Okay?
But
This
you
office,
won't even tell me your name. What is your name?
sir, what do you need
I
my
can
name
help
for?
you, because then I can help you.
Can you give me my paper that
This
you
is
crumpled
not
up?
your paper.
Okay.
You gave it to me.
Ma'am,
Thank
can you give me
very
a
much.
copy of that FOIA?
Here, you gave it to us. Thank you
Sir,
very
that's
much.
my property there.
It's not your property. You gave it to us.
Okay, let me take a screenshot of what I took a photo of that document there. You do have it. It has you have 5 days FOIA to comply. Sir,
All right. Are the sheriffs coming up?
Yes.
I had to walk this guy out last year.
no, I walked
Here
in
we
on my
are
own
here.
accord.
No, you didn't. You put it on YouTube. I had to walk you down to the sheriff's
Sir,
office.
what? Treat people with respect, please.
Tell me your name. I will treat you with respect. You have my name because I showed you my ID last.
Sir, what do you need my name for? I'm filing FOIA. Does not require first name,
Because
last
how
name,
do I
and
know
or
how to
address.
treat this? How
Okay.
do I know how to respond to your FOIA request?
Well,
There is no FOIA request here that I see.
you can forward it over to the.
I'm not doing your work for you. You go do your work. We are a law office of the public defender.
Okay,
right?
well, all
We
your
represent
information,
the indigent
sir,
accused.
sir, your information is obtainable via freedom of
I
information.
know. So go obtain it.
Okay, well, I served you with that document there.
Piece of paper.
You have it in your pocket there, and I have it on film that I served the document to you, sir.
You gave me a piece of paper. Now you don't have any business here, so you need to leave. All right, I
Sir,
had to
I'm
get
waiting
the
for my
sheriff's
copy, and
last
I'll be on
time.
my way. If you give me back my page, I'm on my
All
way.
right, follow me out.
I just needed you to have a copy.
I have a
That's
copy.
all.
Follow
Okay,
me
can
out.
you give me my paper back?
No, come on out.
Okay.
You are now trespassing. So come on
Sir,
out.
you
I've
cannot
asked
be
you to leave.
trespassed from a public
You
place.
are trespassing.
You know how
because
embarrassing
we are a
you
law
are, sir?
office, all right?
You're a
Once you
public
get
defender.
behind these doors, then you are not trespassing. Then it's a public building.
Guys,
So
do
I'm
not
asking you to leave.
call this office here and voice your concerns. Do not. Pause.
Yes, he will not give me his name. He has no business
Sir, can you
here,
please give me my
so
page
I'm
back?
asking him to leave. Now, he
Okay.
will not leave. I will ask him one last time, and I'd ask, if he doesn't leave our office, that you take care of him.
Okay, is he done with your business there?
We have no business.
You have no
He
business.
won't tell me his
Step
name.
outside in the hall.
Wait a
with me,
minute.
All
Wait a
right,
minute.
Step outside in the hall with me. We'll talk
Sir,
out there.
I need my form, and I'll
Come
leave
on
on my
out.
own accord.
You
He
need
has
what?
my paper in his pocket.
He gave me a piece of paper. Now he wants
He
it
made a
back.
copy of it, and he has my copy in his pocket. He's not giving me my copy. Once he
All
gives
right,
me my
you
copy,
need
I'll
to
leave.
leave. I
I'll
asked
leave
you
on
to
my
leave.
own accord once he gives
He
me
gave
my
a piece of
document.
paper. Step
Sir,
outside.
once you give me my document, I'll
Come
be
on
more than
outside.
happy to leave.
Step outside, we'll take care of it
Come on
out there.
out.
Sir, he has my document.
We'll take care of it out there, buddy. Come on, we'll go out,
All
talk
right,
out there.
if he's not out, I want him arrested.
We'll talk
Okay,
out.
I need my document, and then I'll be more than happy to leave.
we'll talk
Ma'am,
after.
can you give me my copy? You made a copy of the document that I served.
What did you give them?
He didn't
It's a.
serve anything.
I
What did
did,
you give to him?
sir.
Here's his piece of paper.
Okay. That's all I need, and I'll leave on my
All
own
right,
accord.
Here you go. Follow me out. See?
Okay.
Watch it.
Let's
Come
go.
on.
Sir,
Come on.
Come on,
Here's
man.
your piece of
We'll
paper.
talk outside.
Come
All right.
on.
go
There
ahead.
you go.
Come on.
Now tell me
Look
your
at
name.
look at
What's
this guy
your
is a
name?
county employee. This is so unprofessional, man.
What is your name?
Sir, I need my document. I would have left on my own accord without you calling the sheriff.
No.
Just
No.
so you're
you
aware,
don't-
I'm videotaping you also.
He has
Okay, that's
no-
fine.
Alright.
This is my document. Here, I'm gonna read this
He
out
has
loud.
no business here.
Okay. Come on,
Sure.
buddy. Walk
All
with
right.
me. Walk with
All
me.
right. Here, let me read this
Do me-
aloud.
Just do me a favor.
Yep.
I don't care if you tape in the building. The minute you step in a room, you got to turn your phone off. I have no problem with you walking around the building.
Sir,
Okay?
sir, let me read this aloud on the body cam.
Okay.
Okay. First, let me tell you a summary of what transpired now. Okay. I walk into the office here. First thing, I came here last year. Okay. I was inquiring in some information from the public defender's office.
Okay.
This same gentleman here by the name of Dunn walked out on camera and was very disrespectful, threatening me, saying I'm not allowed to be in this office while this is a public body. Okay, so now a year later, I'm here to fill out a FOIA and complaint on the same FOIA so it could be tracked and logged.
Okay.
Okay, I handed the man this form here and I told him that, you see how he pulled it out of his pocket and treated me like a dog to walk out. So basically what this document says is, it says FOIA record request, okay? The record is to serve as a complaint and a FOIA request and to be tracked and logged into the FOIA track log system. A member of the public walked into the public defender's office on or about March 5th, inquiring information when the Cook County employee by the name of David Dunn disrespected the person, me, by telling him he was not welcomed into his lobby and refused to answer any questions. David Dunn, public defender, called the sheriff to remove the person from his lobby last year.
Okay.
Okay, to remove the person, listen to this carefully, to remove the person from his office, however, was unsuccessful because the sheriffs never showed up knowing that filming is permitted, it's a right, okay, to remove, but was unsuccessful because filming in a public space is a right. Thereof, I am requesting all emails sent and received by David Dunn from that time frame of last year because I believe he was conspiring against my rights and he may have some emails in the public record about conspiring about my rights. Okay, so on March 4th through 7, 2020, as well as a license to practice law, his license to practice law. Because how does a public defender act in this manner, sir? How does a public defender act in this manner?
I can't speak for him.
Okay,
I can't speak for him.
sure,
All right, and I'm being professional with you.
yes.
My suggestion to you, and you can take it or leave it for what it's worth, is they have a website, the Public Defender of Cook County. You can go on their website, and there's probably you probably get your complaint entered online through the Public Defender's office. I would
Sir?
go that route.
Okay, sir, I received the young lady there, the man David Dunn handed the young lady there this copy.
Okay.
And she copied a copy for the office.
Okay.
So then he goes and folds this up. Sir, all I was expecting him to do is the copy that he
You
made,
got your paper back.
right,
I
and handed
understand.
me this copy, and I would have left on my own
understand.
accord without calling the
understand that,
sheriff's
bro. I
here.
understand. I understand
Okay.
you holding, man.
Now at this point, my good man, this man is, I don't know how he's in office. Okay, guys, do not call this office and voice your concerns. There may be, keyword, maybe 100,000 people viewing this conduct.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. So just so you
I'm
know-
going to request that, go ahead.
Just so you know, anything you do for a request, I would suggest you go through their main office.
Okay,
Online.
sir, according to the FOIA Act, the Freedom of Information Act, it's 37 pages compiled statutes,
Okay.
and it indicates that any public body may receive a FOIA and reference it on their own time to the at the compliance time to the proper channel.
Okay.
So any public body is able to accept the FOIA and within compliance time forward it over to the proper channel.
Okay.
The reason I came to this office is to serve him this document. On film is my receipt,
Okay.
my transaction. Okay, I'm going to be requesting that body cam there, sir. I need the call number, the event call number for this call.
That you're gonna have to get through my legal department. You have to go
Okay,
through my
sir,
legal
you can
department.
dispatch that. You're a sergeant, sir.
Correct.
Could you please dispatch that number and I'll write it down?
Which number are you asking?
This event, the call that just for the sheriff's office.
There is no call event yet.
So how were
I won't know until I review my body camera to be an event number. So anything you need to get, you can come back and request it.
Okay.
But you have to get it requested through our legal
anyhow, filming in that lobby is permitted, correct?
office. Correct.
You're not
as
even-
long as,
okay.
as long as you're not recording in the court, you're good.
That's correct.
Correct.
So what would he be saying that I'm going to be trespassed and arrested? Is he a public defender that violates people's rights?
I can't speak for him, buddy. I
Yeah.
can't speak for him.
Okay.
So, come on, let's get it. Let's
Sure.
we'll start
Well,
walking this way.
here. I have to take a seat.
Okay.
I'll take a seat over there
That's fine.
just to stay
That's
out of
fine.
sight with these
Sounds
people.
good. Perfect
Okay.
idea.
I'm gonna file these, then I'll go down to the clerk and hand them
Okay.
over to the clerk.
Sounds
I'm
good.
filming in the clerk's office too. There may be an employee there is not aware of filming. They call the sheriff.
Fine.
Please do not escort me out. Just say he's allowed to
You'll be
film
fine.
as long as he doesn't cause a disturbance, which I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, before you leave, can I have your name, badge number for purposes of body cam?
Fever, H-A-V-E-R, 1-1. My body cam wasn't on.
It's flashing,
that's
sir.
not
No, no.
on.
Okay,
When it's-
what's
when
the
it's-
what's
you
the
know when
badge
it's red.
number?
11252.
Good enough, sir. You folks have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Have
All
a
right.
good day, sir.
Sure. That wasn't a disturbance, boys. That was not a disturbance.
It was with him.
Okay, camera shows all the...
Doesn't say it was with you.
Sir, if it was a disturbance, that's a crime.
Leave it alone, man. Come on.
That's a crime, a disturbance.
Leave it alone. Have a good day, man.
Okay, I'll be at the clerk's office momentarily. So now I'm going downstairs to the clerk's office. I served him with a copy on film, and I'm going to be receiving a stamped copy from the clerk's office right now. Unbelievable, man. How is this guy a public defender violating people's rights, telling them I want him trespassed and arrested? These people are outrageous. Here's the clerk's office here. Hi, ma'am. Yeah, I need to speak to the clerk.
About?
FOIA. FOIA, Freedom of Information.
Okay, can you please stay here? I will call you as soon as the window is open.
All right. Pause. Okay, ma'am.
Just hang on a moment.
Sure. Excuse me, guys. Which office has all the business cards?
There's no business card here. There's no business here.
All right. Pause. Now I'm at the clerk's, needing copies for these documents here. Hello, hi, ma'am. Good, how are you? Okay, ma'am, I need... These are FOIA requests here. I need 2 copies with press stamp with the date on it. This one says this is a record. This is a FOIA request record. Record is to serve as a complaint and FOIA request to be tracked and logged into the FOIA log system. A member of the public walked into the public defender's office on about March 5th, 2020 last year, inquiring information. When the Cook County employee by the name of David Dunn disrespected the person by telling him he was not welcomed into his lobby and refused to answer any questions, David Dunn, public defender, called the sheriff to remove the person from the lobby, yet was unsuccessful. Police never showed up because filming in a public space is permitted, is a right, our right. Therefore, I'm requesting all emails sent and received by David Dunn on March 4th through March 7th, 2020, as well as license to practice law, because I believe that David Dunn conspired against my rights. So with that, when I obtain these FOIA, when I obtain these emails, I'll be able to investigate that. And here goes a FOIA for today's visit. Body worn camera from date and time of 3/23, Hodges badge number 1069 from them times.
Okay, I'm gonna give this to the manager's leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I think you got a better attitude than last time.
Oh, you came in before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, it's finally nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, ma'am.
You want to just stamp?
Yeah, just a stamp in the copies for Clerk, copies for me. No, those are FOIA records.
What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
You got a website?
No, those are
No, you got a
email?
channel? No, a channel.
No, sir. I
On
put
YouTube or anything?
no. I put my email there.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I put my email there. Those are FOIAs.
Uh-huh.
I just need a timestamp, press stamp, and a copy for the Clerk, copy for me as well.
Okay, are you one of these First Amendment auditors?
Sir, I don't answer no questions.
That's cool. I watch you guys all the time. That's come a message.
What's your first name and job duty?
My name is Gilbert.
Mhm.
I am the Chief Deputy Clerk here.
My man, you sound like a professional, reasonable man to talk to.
Check this out. Come over here. You got a second?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. I watch this all the time.
My guy.
Are you on here?
Sir, I don't answer
I like
no
to look it
questions.
up, right? I watch it all the time, man.
Okay. Transparency.
I might have seen you today, just today at lunchtime.
I don't know. Stay professional,
You
man.
got a thing. I like to check you out.
Oh, my man. Did you make copies for the Clerk so they could respond in the 5 days of compliance?
Yes, right.
Please.
I want to read it first.
Oh, sure.
You know, you're probably going to have to deal with the public defenders to get this information. We would not have this information.
Well, here's the thing, my good man. I served the public defender a copy of that.
Uh-huh.
He had his assistant make a copy.
Mm-hmm.
He folded my copy up, put it in his pocket, and refused to give it to me. He called the sheriffs because he believed that I was trespassed, which I'm not. He believed I was doing a disturbance, which I didn't. That's not a crime.
I hear you.
So he folded it up and told me, come on, walk out like I was a dog out of the office. There's maybe, the key word is maybe, 100,000 people viewing this. Keyword is maybe, not confirm, not deny. However, according to the Freedom of Information Act of Illinois, compiled statutes, 36 pages, any Freedom of Information form can be handed to any public body, and the public body shall reference it over to the proper channel within the days of compliance.
I have to look into that, to be
Sure.
honest, because
We all learn new
yeah,
every day,
yeah,
new
yeah,
things.
Yeah. Let me make you a copy.
I thank you. They got the Greek flag there. No mass, no service. He said he watched First Amendment audits. I'm not going to confirm nor deny. This lady at the front counter had a different attitude from last time.
Was it okay? I got a. It's a bigger mess than that. Here's a copy for you.
I thank you so much, sir.
I gotta figure out who to.
You know what? Let me have the original, sir, please.
We want to keep the originals.
Oh no, I'd like to keep the original because this was folded up and handed to me in this way. If it does go to court, I have the exact fold up that the disrespectful man did. Anyhow, sir, what is the name of your FOIA officer?
See that I'm not sure.
Okay.
Because,
Are you the deputy clerk?
I'm the
Okay.
chief
Deputy clerk.
The thing
Sure.
is that in this building, we have different entities, and they all
Sure.
report up to a different elected official.
Okay.
All right. So the clerk's office reports up to Iris Martinez.
Mm-hmm.
The sheriff's office reports up to Tom
Superintendent.
Dart. The public defenders, the judges report to someone different.
Okay.
The state's attorneys report to Kim
Sure.
Fox. I mean, everyone reports to somebody different.
Now let me ask you a question, my good man. You being the chief deputy clerk of Cook County,
Of right here.
This
Of the
Cook
Skokie-
County.
Of the Skokie courthouse.
Courthouse. Okay. Do you have a FOIA track log readily available for inspection?
I would have to. I just got into the job about 3 months ago.
Sure.
So I don't know that.
Well, you know what? You've been here. You seem like a reasonable and professional man. Like I said, keyword, maybe 100,000 people may view this. I'm not going to confirm nor deny.
It's probably not.
Okay. Anyhow, sir.
I watch you guys all the time.
Okay. I don't know who you're referring to when you say you guys, but sir, can you please find out if you do have that track log
I could
readily
find out.
available
Would you
for
like me to
inspection?
Get back to you?
Come again?
Would you like me to get back to you? I don't know that I could get that information. For
Well, you know
right
what?
now.
I may visit at a later time. I was in the library looking through the Black's Law Dictionary. I have to come back and look at the Black's Law at a later time. If you could find out for me, and I may come back like in 2 more weeks to go to the library and do some studies.
Cool.
My man,
All right, man.
stay positive.
All right.
Thank you.
Later.
That folks. That. This way or all the way around? All right. That folks. Have a good day, guys. I like your attitude, professional guy. All right, folks. Huh? Who said he can't record? Who said he can't record? Come on, you want to be on film? Hey man, he can't record in this motherfucker. Alright guys, anyway man, you see how it is, man. Look at this. Listen, I will be putting a man's business card. Do not call. Again, do not call. As well as Yelp, as well as Google reviews, man. Love. Hey folks, what you're about to watch is the public defender that you seen a year ago by the name of David Dunn. Do not, I repeat, do not call 847-470-7400 and voice your concern, along with reviews. It looks like there's only 3 reviews, and 2 of them are 0 stars. And I'm talking these reviews are from 3 years ago, not from the visit. So we're about to get into this video, man. It gets crazy. Okay, I'm gonna watch how I walk into the sheriff's office before I walk into the public defender's office, and watch how one of the sheriffs at the front counter starts a disturbance and then starts laughing behind the computer, knowing that they abuse authority. But stay tuned, we're about to get into it now. Guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share. You know, we need to get the word out. It's something intelligent that's been going on, as in filing complaints using the FOIA system. Okay, not only is it a complaint, it's a request of records, and a reason. We don't have to give no reason why we're requesting records. But we have in the complaint, we're putting a reason why we're requesting these specific requests along with that complaint. So it's an intelligent way of filing complaints through FOIA because it stays tracked and logged for the rest of history. All right. Anyhow, folks, stay tuned. We're about to get into the video now. Love. Hey, folks, what you're about to watch is the public defender that you seen a year ago by the name of David Dunn. Do not, I repeat, do not call 847-470-7400 and voice your concern along with reviews. It looks like there's only 3 reviews and 2 of them are 0 stars. And I'm talking these reviews are from 3 years ago, not from the visit. So we're about to get into this video, man. It gets crazy. Okay, I'm gonna watch how I walk into the sheriff's office before I walk into the public defender's office, and watch how one of the sheriffs at the front counter starts a disturbance and then starts laughing behind the computer, knowing that they abuse authority. But stay tuned. We're about to get into it now. Guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share. You know, we need to get the word out. It's something intelligent that's been going on, as in filing complaints using the FOIA system. Okay, not only is it a complaint, it's a request of records and a reason. We don't have to give no reason why we're requesting the records, but we have in the complaint, we're putting a reason why we're requesting these specific requests along with that complaint. So it's an intelligent way of filing complaints through FOIA because it stays tracked and logged for the rest of history. All right. Anyhow, folks, stay tuned. We're about to get into the video now. Love.